Hello, I'm Sage. You are watching Kalkine TV live from Sydney. This is the Market Movers Show, where we take you through the trending ASX listed stocks that are on the gainers trajectory every day. But before I share the updates on the top gainers of the day, let's have a look at the market updates. After opening higher on Thursday, the ASX 200 dipped due to losses in banking and technology stocks. The tech stocks dipped after the NASDAQ fell nearly 2% in the overnight trade. However, miners rose to their highest in nearly 13 years. And the global mining players also performed well amid the rise in commodity prices. Materials was best performing sector. And on that note, here are the top 5 ASX gainers of the day. The stock QBE Insurance Group Ltd rose 4% to the day's high of $10.87 Australian. QBE Insurance is a general insurance and reinsurance company in Australia. The insurer gained after the Australian government unveiled plans to launch a reinsurance pool to cover cyclone and related flood risks. The plan is expected to help the private industry provide more affordable property insurance to those in the path of tropical cyclones in the north of the country. Announcing the plans, the government said that from 1st July 2022, this new reinsurance pool would be backed by 10 billion Australian dollars in government guarantees to help make insurance accessible and affordable. The QBE Insurance Group Ltd stock has also gained after QBE's 2021 annual general meeting of shareholders held on Wednesday. The group chairman, Michael Wilkins, had said that the revenue of the company had improved meaningfully, with headlines GWP increasing 28% as against the first quarter of 2020, or 23% on a constant currency basis. And the stock of the miner BHP Group Ltd surged just over 3% to the intraday high of $50.32 Australian. The overnight rise in iron ore prices has helped the global mining giant to add gains. In addition, the latest surge in shipping costs, especially due to demand from China, has given Australian iron ore miners upper hands over their Brazilian peers. It is due to the reason that ASX-listed iron ore miners take nearly 10 to 15 days to ship commodities to China. And the distance between Brazilian and Chinese ports is more than 3 times more than between Australia and China. The healthcare stock Polynovo Ltd surged just over 3% to $2.91 Australian. The stock has been in focus amid the ongoing US dollar rally and the healthcare boost by the government amid the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic has also helped the stock of the medical device company. The stock of the multinational insurance company Insurance Australia Group Ltd rose just over 2% to $5.06 Australian. The insurer gained after the following: the Australian government's plan to launch a reinsurance pool to include cyclone and related flood risks. And the stock of the intellectual property services firm IPH Limited soared just over 2% to the intraday high of $7.17 Australian, and that stock gained after the company's presentation at Macquarie Australia Conference 2021. IPH has demonstrated consistent earnings growth and cash flow conversions. The company's underlying financial year 20 EBITDA stood at 126 million Australian dollars, while financial year 20 total dividend was 28.5 cents per share. The company said it had operating cash flow of 52 million Australian dollars and very low debt. The company also said that it was IPH and well placed to capitalise on these trends in the Asia-Pacific region and through the group's well-established relationships in each of the primary markets. Thanks again for joining us. That's all for now. Stay tuned with Kalkine TV for more of the market updates, and we'll be back soon with the diverse themes and sectors on the economy and markets. Sage signing off.